How's everybody doing? This is Tom. The day is June the 5th. This is our first update from our trip. I'm going to give this a shot on YouTube, see how it works. We left on the 28th of May and arrived here yesterday on June the 4th at Salmon Lake, which is about 45 miles out of Missoula, up Highway 200. On the way up here, we stayed in 7 different parks. Horse Creek Park in Coleman, Turkey Hotel, RV Park in Turkey, Texas, Lathrop State Park in Walsenburg, Colorado, Estes Park, Spruce Lake in Estes Park, Colorado. Spent two nights there, and then on to Evansville, which is right out of Casper, Wyoming, and then to Billings. In Billings, we stayed at the first ever KOA, which was created in 1962. That was the nicest park we've stayed in. It was about $48 for a night. And now we're in Salmon Lake. 2,100 miles of driving so far, and we're going to have at least another 2,500 before we get to the East Coast. Taking our time. We're not going, not in a big hurry. We're doing 200 to 300 miles a day in the car up to this point. But then that's going to go way down to closer to 40 and on up to 70 or so, 80 miles a day, with some layover days every few days to experience the countryside. So we're taking our time. We're not in a hurry. Thank goodness. I've done too many of those tours where we were cramming way too many miles in a short period. A couple of highlights. We had an interesting conversation with a rancher in the Turkey Hotel, and that was, they have a unique lifestyle. It's not the town is almost a ghost town. There isn't much going on, but the hotel's still there. The community's supporting it. They have steak night every Saturday night. They have wings, wing night, like where they barbecue wings, and then the hotel's still an operating hotel. But the rancher said that there were some corporations coming in and buying up land for farming, but not a lot of corporations coming in and buying land for ranching. But you could tell, very independent lifestyle and independent person. Good guy, salt of the earth people. And then the Billings KOA was quite interesting. There was a brood of Canadian geese in there, a number of families, maybe 8 different families. We counted close to 60 total birds that were there walking around the park and out into the little lake. So that was pretty cool. We're going to head to tomorrow, will be Thursday. I'll be riding for the first time down to Missoula, and we'll go to Adventure Cycling to pick up some more maps and talk with them about this route, and that will connect us with where we left off a year and a half ago when we rode from Oregon to Missoula. That was an 850-mile trek, and now we'll add another 45 to it, and then tomorrow we'll head out of, I'll ride back with Gate from Missoula in the truck, and then tomorrow we'll head on to Spring Creek RV Park, which is to the east on Highway 200. We're going to be on Highway 200 almost all the way to Glendive. I think it's Circle when we actually come off Highway 200. So we've got some unknown challenges ahead of us, but that's part of what this is all about. And we've met some great people out here. Highly recommended. We're on the Lewis and Clark Trail. We're on the northern fork of the Adventure Cycling Lewis and Clark Trail. So both of those routes, one follows the freeway, which also follows the river, and then the other one is more desolate, which is the one I chose to take because it parallels the Missouri and to the north. So it parallels areas that both Lewis and Clark followed, both going west and then coming back. So we're going to get to see a lot of history firsthand. So that's pretty exciting, and just got the bike out, so I'll show you, give you a little quick overview of the park here, and then I'm going to shut it down, and let me know what you think, if this works for folks that would like to follow us. If you don't want to follow us, certainly let me know and I'll take you off the list if you get informed of this YouTube video. Okay, so here's just an overview of this is where we're staying. Nice spruce trees. You can see the camp is set up here, and here's our lake in the background. And I'm told that by one of the campers here, he's pulled 6 pike, northern pike out of here, and some brown trouts as well as bass out of this lake. Okay, so we're going to shut it down now. Hope everybody's doing well, and probably won't hear from us for a while. Maybe Glendive will do an update, see how things go there. Maybe Great Falls, and that's going to be it for now. You guys have a good one.